In the serene beauty of the countryside, a couple lives a simple and peaceful life. On this day, the husband is out in the fields, driving his tractor as he harvests potatoes from the land. Suddenly, something extraordinary catches his eye. A massive, unusual potato, far bigger than anything he has ever seen before. Amazed and excited, he carefully loads it onto the tractor and takes it home, already imagining a special fried recipe they will enjoy together. Back at home, the husband and wife work together to unload the giant potato from the tractor. They gently wash it with clean water, making sure it is perfectly fresh. Then, with careful hands, they slice it into long, even pieces, preparing it for a special dish. At this stage, the husband and wife work side by side, grinding the spices into a fine, aromatic powder. They carefully prepare all the ingredients, making sure everything is ready for the cooking process. They place a pot on the stove and pour in a suitable amount of oil. Once the oil is hot, they carefully fry the potato slices until they turn golden and crispy. After frying all the potatoes, they mix in some spicy seasonings, enhancing the flavor and making the dish even more delicious. At this stage, fresh tomatoes are gently washed with clean water and carefully chopped into small pieces. These vibrant ingredients will soon be transformed into a rich and flavorful tomato sauce. After preparing the potato fries and tomato sauce, the husband and wife sit together and taste the food. Once they finish eating, they pack the remaining food into a large container and take it to share with some workers in the fields. As the workers see the food, their faces light up with joy. The husband and wife join them, and together they sit down and share the meal, creating a warm and cheerful moment filled with happiness and togetherness. At this moment, they lovingly feed their cows, goats, ducks, and chickens. The animals gather around peacefully, enjoying their meal. After taking care of everything, the husband and wife finally take a moment to rest, enjoying the calm and quiet of their surroundings.